Hello viewers, are you having any Dell Inspiron laptop with you and are you facing this foldable area brokerage issue and are you struggling to fix it? So don't worry, in this video I will guide you how to fix it without any struggle. As a Dell user, you think you are the only one facing this foldable area which they call as hinge issue? Definitely not. Literally 90% of the people who bought this Inspiron variant laptop facing the similar issue. And how I came to know is when I visited the service center of the Dell, there are many people in the queue with the same issue to be fixed. And what the Dell service center people are saying is like you have to submit a laptop with them and you have to wait for around 15 days to be fix this issue. So we can't opt for this option. Yes, it is more time consuming and your laptop might contain your personal details and files folders and regarding things, and also sometimes you will be using the laptop for the your regular job, so you can't take 15 days leave on that. So that's the risk which I'm meaning. And I also means another risk which is scam. So sometimes you submit your laptop with a third party service center. They might not every time it's going to happen, but it's possible to replace the original parts with a second copy or duplicate parts. So we have to cut these risks by opting for the on-site service. So in this video, come on, let's see how to opt for the on-site service. So guys, first we should reach for this number displayed here. So when you reach this number, you will be receiving a welcome message and followed by it's asking for a language selection where they will support only two languages. One will be English and another one will be Hindi. So if you stay idle, it will continue with English itself. And first it will ask for you to do you need any workbook related tracking option and all. So if you stay idle, you should press option 2 to move further to the next process. So there it will ask you for the service tag ID, which will be available backside of your laptop, but still you can properly provide it to that system, because we should say it orally. That's how it will be taking the input, but it won't be properly working. So you can stay idle, then it will move further to the next options where it will say press 1 for the sales related option, press 2 for the technical option, and press 3 for non-technical related options. So you can press option 3 to communicate with a real person. So there will be a ring going on, and some real person will be taking the call, and to them you should convey what are the issues you are facing, your laptop has been broken, but you can't submit to anyone, or you can't wait for 15 days, and also you need a on-site service for your laptop to be get fixed. So based on that, they will send a message. So this will be your first email received from Dell, containing a case number regarding your complaint and other basic informations. So you have to reply to this email with the images of your laptop damage. So take 2 3 images which will perfectly shows the damaged part of your laptop and reply to this email. So this will be the second email you receive from Dell. Once they finish validating your image, and they are going to ask for your basic information like name, address, number. They also ask for GST details, but if this is just for individual personal usage, you can completely ignore that part. The email also includes the terms and conditions, so you can just go through it if you have time. After that, you just need to reply to that email, the information they asked for. And like I already said, if you are just an individual user buying it for personal use, you can completely ignore the GST part. You sending your informations to them, the next email they will be sending is the quotation email. The quotation email contains billing address, shipping details, and parts list with pricing to fix your laptop. You can use this button they provided here to pay your money to order these items, but unfortunately it's difficult for many people like me to order the parts through the link they provided, because your bank account should be eligible to make international transactions. So the better and simple choice I would recommend is ask them for UPI transaction option. Based on your UPI transaction request, they will send their bank details of Dell, to which you can easily pay with your UPI apps or other easy ways. After paying the exact value what they mentioned in the quotation with the UPI option, you have to mail them the transaction receipt and also reach them again and say your case number and check whether they received your email of transaction receipt or not, to be sure of the things. Next email you will be receiving from the Dell will be order received email. Within 24 hours of your payment transaction, you can check all the items in the list to make sure everything is done properly. Following email from the Dell will be order confirmation mail. This will also contain similar kind of information to the previous email of order received from them. So the next email is about the on-site service request receivable from the Dell, which contains the details like case number, product, service tag, your contact details, and the steps you should do before the service, like taking a backup of your data and getting your BitLocker recover key, etc. So don't fail to follow this for your safety purposes. Sometimes from receiving that email, you will receive a call and followed by an email regarding on-site service scheduling from the Dell, contains same details of the previous email. After the payment and this much of email communication, finally the technician will reach you and visit your location, and he will replace all the broken parts of your laptop in front of you itself. For a safety purpose, you can also take a video recording of the servicing by properly informing the technician. Guys, finally the laptop has been fixed. You can see it's been fixed. So after many communication process and payment process, and the technician visited my location, and he fixed everything in front of me only. Just it took 20 to 30 minutes for him to fix. So like these are the advantages, like don't want to submit your laptop to anyone, like you don't want to wait for 15 days, and there won't be any concerns like your original parts getting thefted and getting replaced with duplicate parts. So like everything will be happening in front of your eyes. The technician will fix your laptop in front of you only, so there is no risk at all. So this is what I said, risk free laptop fixing. And the only disadvantage in this option will be like there will be extra pay, like if you opted for the service center to fix your laptop, it will be costing just 4500, whereas like if you opted for the on-site service, it will cost you 2000 rupees around extra. But it is fine to spend like extra 2000 rupees, because it's a laptop worth 40 to 50,000 rupees. So like spending 2000 rupees extra to keep it safe, it's fine only. So it's reasonable. So don't forget to try this option. Thank you guys. Let me come with another update.